Our solar system is home to incredible wonders. Among them is Olympus Mons, a volcano on Mars. This is no ordinary volcano, it dwarfs anything on Earth. Imagine a mountain 3 times taller than Mount Everest. That is Olympus Mons, a testament to the awesome forces at play in our universe. Olympus Mons piques our curiosity about the red planet. It hints at a planet with a fiery past. In this essay, we will embark on a journey to explore this colossal volcano. We will uncover the secrets behind its formation and what it can tell us about planetary science. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, much like Mauna Kea in Hawaii. Shield volcanoes are broad, gently sloping structures formed by lava flows. But Olympus Mons takes this to an extreme. It stretches across a vast 374 miles, similar in size to France. Its caldera, a large depression at the summit, is a staggering 53 miles wide. This colossal size makes Olympus Mons the largest volcano and the highest mountain in our solar system. It is a true giant among giants. Why is Olympus Mons so massive compared to Earth's volcanoes? The answer lies in Mars's unique characteristics. Mars has weaker gravity than Earth. This allows volcanoes to grow much taller before they collapse under their own weight. Furthermore, Mars lacks plate tectonics, the shifting of continents that we experience on Earth. On Earth, this movement spreads volcanic activity, creating chains of smaller volcanoes. On Mars, a stationary hotspot allows lava to erupt from the same spot for billions of years. This continuous buildup resulted in the formation of Olympus Mons. Section 4. A Martian Ascent, from Base to Summit. Imagine standing at the base of Olympus Mons. The volcano's slopes would stretch out before you, disappearing into the Martian horizon. The ascent would be a gradual incline, more akin to a long hike than a steep climb. As you ascend, you would encounter vast lava plains and solidified lava flows. The thin Martian air would make every breath a conscious effort. Finally, reaching the summit would be breathtaking. You would stand at the edge of the enormous caldera, gazing out at the desolate Martian landscape. Section 5. Ancient Volcano, Future Insights. Olympus Mons is thought to be dormant, with its last eruption estimated to have occurred millions of years ago. However, in geological time, that is not very long. There is always a possibility that it could awaken in the future. Studying Olympus Mons provides valuable insights into planetary science. It offers a glimpse into the volcanic processes that shaped Mars. By comparing it to volcanoes on Earth, we can learn about the different geological histories of planets. Olympus Mons serves as a reminder of the vastness and diversity of our universe.